Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today I'm going to be making some lemon and herb chicken skewers to serve with some potatoes and a side mango salad. This is a very simple dish, but the taste is out of this world. So I'm going to use the air fryer for making the skewers. So let's jump right into it. I have 2 chicken breasts here that I'm going to cut them into 1-inch slices. So to make the marinade, we are going to start with zesting the lemon and then taking the juice from 1 lemon. To this lemon mixture, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, or you can adjust the salt to taste. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 4 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 4 sprigs of thyme, 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. And now give it a good mix. And we're going to add this to our chicken. So now let's put all our marinade in here and mix it well with the chicken. We're going to cover it and put it in the fridge for about an hour to marinate. So the chicken has been marinating for about an hour and a half. Just took it out of the fridge. I'm going to skewer them and put it in the air fryer. Today I'm using wooden skewers, which I have soaked in water for the last half an hour. And I'm just going to put the chicken on the skewers and then put it in the air fryer. I'm going to put the chicken in the air fryer at 425 degrees for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to turn it and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. The chicken is now ready, and I'm going to take it out of the oven and let it sit for about 5 minutes before plating it. So here I'm going to plate the chicken with the potatoes and the salad. We'll garnish with a little bit of chopped peanuts, and then we're going to give it a taste test. So here now I'm going to give this a taste test. We have the lemon and herbs chicken skewers. They're coming right off the skewers, so they're well cooked, and I'm going to try that with the potatoes and the mango salad. So here goes. So let's try some chicken. That was so tender, and the flavor is just so subtle. It has a bit of spice, it has a bit of lemon taste, and just the touch of thyme taste. Let's try the potato. Wow. A lot of flavor. A nice amount of lemon. Wow, it's amazing. It's really good. So let me taste the mango salad now. Wow, this is so good. So fresh, and the flavor is amazing. It's mild, but it's definitely hits the spot. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.